You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you. Some puppy love to be there by your side and be with you night and day. The truest friend that you will ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love.
How long are you going to leave them down there, Eva?
Have you got a plan?
This is getting boring.
It has been a while, but the girl, her puppy, and those meddling guards will have worked it out by now. All they have to do is hand over the other half of the friendship heart. Come on, open the hole.
Okay.
Eva.
These guys look suspicious. I'd better keep an eye on them.
Oh, are you still here? Wouldn't you rather be somewhere else?
No, this place is just fine.
Better for seeing you.
I am also happy to be seeing you.
So, are you ready to let this go now?
Am I wrong, or do you sound a bit upset? Well, as I was saying, it all depends on you. If your little friend gives me the other half of the heart, I'll let you go.
I will never give up this precious bracelet ever!
You heard what Katie said, Eva. No way!
Words are cheap, my dear. See how you feel after another spell in the dark.
No, wait!
You heard him. Wait! So, William, have you decided to hand over the jewel to me then?
Why, you...
Calm down, Danny. What guarantee do we have, Eva? Can we trust you to free us if we give you the other half of the friendship heart?
You mean you don't trust me?
You don't have much of a track record, Eva.
Really? Well, it appears to me that you don't have much of a choice.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Mila, Blue, take the friendship part!
Follow those cats! Get me that collar! As for you, Robbie, you're going to be sorry you decided to play the hero. Crackia! He's all yours.
Easy! This doesn't look good.
Let's get you out of there. Come on. I can't reach the stretch.
Let's split up.
Let's split up.
No, follow the collar.
Stop! No way, never! It's only a matter of time! Good idea, Mila. Catch me if you can. Oh, I can!
I need a plan. They may not be bright, but they're fast, and I can't run much farther. Maybe I can outsmart them.
She stopped.
Come and get me, poodles.
Did you hear what she called us?
Yeah,
She
let's
called
get
us
her.
poodles.
Come on. Yeah.
I got you. Yes. I love you too, but now it's William's turn. Come on. You can thank me later. Right now, Balloon needs our help. Yay! Great job, Balloon.
They're fast, but not all that bright.
Oh, how typical! I'm surrounded by fools! That nuisance of a girl and her puppy have escaped from my trap!
You may as well give up, Eva. You'll never beat us.
Katie's right.
Maybe, but Crackia has your little birdie friend, Robbie.
I don't think so. You mean him?
Are you talking about me?
What happened to Crackia?
She's practicing to be a woodpecker.
You lose again, Eva.
You got lucky, that's all. But my day will come, and I shall be Princess of the Pocket Kingdom. Then you will all pay.
We did it! Hey!
Is Eva ever going to learn?
We owe it all to Kate, Magic, and especially Robbie.
William is right. We couldn't have done it without you, little Robbie.
I like to help out when I can.
I hoped you'd say that. Would you like to help out a little boy in the big city?
That'd be fantastic.
Well, let's go then.
They're not gonna leave us here, are they? Hey, wait, what about us? Get us out!
I know. There's only one way to get us out of here.
Good. Well, what is it?
Simple. I'll climb on your shoulders and you push me up.
Cool. Hang on. That gets you out, but what about me?
One thing at a time, Court. First, get me out and then we'll worry about you.
Why don't I get on your shoulders and climb out first, huh?
'Cause it was my idea. Deal with it, all right?
Looks like we're staying here then.
You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely. You don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you.
Let the friendship ceremony begin. Let the spirit of the friendship heart light the way to the magic fountain.
No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. When you wake up bright and early, sure to get a surprise. A playful friend to brighten your day.
Hey, give that back! Hey, come here! Come back with that now! I told you to give it back to me! Hey, give it back to me now! Go! Hey, come here! No! Oh, come here! Come here! Come back here, you! Hey! Hey, you're a lot of fun. Do you want to be friends? No, this time I'll catch you. Hey! Well done, Kate. Once again, you chose the right pet for the right child.
I couldn't have done it on my own. We did it together. Friends forever. Well, we are the Royal Guards.
Princess Ava's guards.
I'm sorry, there's still no news about her. I hope she's okay. We miss her so much.
Yes, lots.
But the princess is very lucky to have a friend like you to help her.
Thank you. I hope I can bring better news next time. It's time to go. Are you ready?
Ready, Katie, ready.
My puppy and I together forever. It's all I want.
Katie and I together forever. It's all that I want.
Kate, there you are. I've been looking all over for you.
I've been looking for you too.
We must have been going round in circles.
How funny.
What a beautiful bracelet. It looks very precious.
You're right. It is very special. A dear friend gave it to me, and I hope to see her soon.
A very good morning to you, Princess.
How do you know?
Know what?
What you said.
What did I say?
You called me princess.
That's just something I say.
Is it so hard to believe?
Oh, lassie!
Oh, never mind.
See, the thing is, we don't get many princesses in this neighborhood. See, it's no castle, I'm afraid.
My castle is in Pocketville.
Where? Oh, never mind. Princess or not, you must eat something.
You're the first person to help me since I got here. Why are you being so kind?
It's obvious. We're friends, aren't we?
I must say, that girl is pretty tough.
But you're tougher.
Maybe, but what if I don't manage to steal the friendship heart from her?
What do you mean?
It's taking far too long and we don't have that much time. Soon they'll work out the puzzle, and then Ava will be back as Princess of Pocketville. Unless
what?
Unless I go to the big city and deal with Ava there, once and for all.
But that's impossible, Eva.
Maybe not.
Have you got a plan?
We'll seek the one creature who knows the answer. Durillia.
You're kidding!
I've never been more serious.